Hi friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can find what inventory for the most part is at your local Target for a Bullseyes playground. You can check all the other departments to see online if Target has something or not and order, but Bullseyes playground is a little different. So I'm going to let you in on a little trick that I use. You're going to go to brickseek.com, which is right there on the screen, and you're going to scroll down and click on Target. You can do this for other stores as well. Now, this isn't 100% accurate, but it helps for the most part. So what you're going to do is look at the item, and you can find this on videos, on Instagram, all over the place. People will share these numbers up to the left of the barcode. You're going to take that number and type it in the DPCI area there. And then you're also going to type in your zip code, and then you can sort by distance, a bunch of other things. But then once you put that in and you click search inventory, it's going to populate with all of the Targets near that zip code. So as you can see, this must be a popular scarf because it's out of stock everywhere. Now, if it's in stock, it'll have a green little button and it will say that it's there. So I use this a lot of times because it'll help you know when stuff's out on the floor. Sometimes it will say in stock when actually it's just in the back, but you can also see the manufacturer's suggested retail price, which is MSRP, and the UPC number as well. So the next time you're hunting for something in Target and you see a shop with me or somebody posted on Instagram or Facebook, you can use that DPCI number and use BrickSeek and kind of sneak around it. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!